If you have bayonet, fix it.
Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I thought I heard you say you want to go for
No, everybody.
That guy's supposed to be a U.S. Marshal.
Heck out, man. Sing it, Rafi. Sing it.
Hey, I'm sorry, I know these songs. I'm sorry.
Just wait till Coon Possum comes out of the way.
Yeah, I know. I think next time when I get back in Grattan, I go like Dollar General and find some smaller gloves.
Mine used to be puffier and bigger.